Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another parcel from Beebeecraft, products that I'm going to showcase for you. Now Beebeecraft has a YouTube program where if you have 100 or more subscribers, you may be eligible to showcase products for them. So, you know, if you're interested in that, you can look into that. All the links will be below. Links for Beebeecraft will be below. The links for all these products will be below. And up on the screen will be a discount coupon that says Valita 10. And you can use that at checkout and get 10% off your order. Right, so let's get going and unbox what we have got from Beebeecraft. Okay, my first product in here is, look at this whole bag of wool felt. Wow. There's two big bags here of all sorts of colours. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, I'll tip them all out. There's so many. Whoa. Wow. Look at all these wool felt colours. So I'm going to get on and I'm going to do a little needle felting tutorial with you and showcase some of these colours. And it'll probably be a Christmas one because, you know, that's the season at the moment. But look at them, aren't they beautiful colours? There's so many. I'll open one up and we'll see how much is in each little packet. Because, you know, when you do needle felting, especially if you're doing a bigger project, it's good to buy some roving that is just a plain colour, and then that saves all your colours. So that's a nice size piece. You know, when you fluff it out, that's a pretty big piece of wool felt. Does it smell? No, it's got a nice smell. That's cool. So that's, like, there's all sorts of colours. I think every rainbow colour's there. So yeah, it feels really nice, feels really soft. But we'll give that a go with the needle felting in the next video and see how that comes up. I'm keen to. We might make Santa or something like that for Christmas and see how we go. They're beautiful, aren't they? All sorts of colours. Wow. Wow, wow. Alright, let's see what else is in here. I have a pack of these clips. Now this is gonna, actually, when we make this, we'll make something that we put on this clip and it can be something that you can hang on the Christmas tree. Look at them. Aren't they cool? They're like the little, I'm not sure whether they're called lanyard clips or what, but there's a huge bag of them in there. But all the information will be down below. And yeah, that looks cool. You could use that on anything. Junk journal, dangles, anything. Big bag of clips there. That's great. That'll be coming handy. The next product is a pack of beads. And with it came some, is it stretchy? Yep, some stretchy cord. So that's the pack. Got cute little square ones and some bugle beads. I like that colour bugle bead. Look at this dusty pink. Oh, and there's some clay ones. So we've got quite a few different sorts in there. Nice. So that came with some stretchy string as well. So it's a 0.4mm and it's 20 meters. Cool. And then my last product, oh wow, these are bigger than my other ones. Yeah, these are cool. Alright, let's open this up. And it comes in a cool packet. I love things that come in a packet. A storage packet. And you don't have to find something to store them in. Open it like an ape. And we'll have a little squizzy of what's in here. Ooh. Wow, these are connector letters and numbers. And they've got a little pad on here with the actual number or letter. And then each one disconnects. And you've got the top, on the top you've got that. And you make your letter up. Or you make your word up, sorry. Make your word up. So we've got the whole alphabet here. And we've got numbers. Now I didn't have numbers, so that'll be cool. Oh, I love them. I love the size of them too. My last ones were, or the ones I've had a long time, they were a lot smaller. They were even smaller than that. But this is a good size to put on a tag or a journal front or something, you know, just anything. Anything, you make up a word. And so we're going to make a Christmas decoration. We'll use the beads, we'll use the little clips, we'll use the little the numbers to write something like joy or Merry Christmas or something like that. So stick around because there'll be a few videos coming up showcasing these for you. Oh, that's cool. Very nice. So I'm really happy with that. Inside there's a little invoice that shows what I've ordered, and yeah, really keen to get going with that. So I hope you've enjoyed a little look at these products. These are awesome. I love how they've got a good, you know, storage thing for them, because my other ones don't have one. And these look really nice too. Nice size to put on our junk journals and stuff like that. Use with the dangles. And these beads are just beautiful. Love these dusty colours. Haven't seen bugle beads like that before, with the dusty colours. Yeah, so this pink and that. Ooh, I'm getting some ideas. Getting some ideas. Yeah, we could do a pink angel with beads and all sorts of ideas. So I hope you've enjoyed this unboxing with Beebeecraft. All the links below will be below, and you can just click on them and it'll take you straight into Beebeecraft, to that product. Yeah, don't forget their program if you're interested in doing this yourself, and don't forget my coupon code up here on the screen, which is Valita10. You put that in at checkout and you get 10% off. So it's the season for looking for crafts and things for our gift giving. So get on there, check out what they've got. Oh, they've just got so much stuff in there. I love getting in there and looking, and I can stay there for ages. And I love all the Beebeecraft's products. So thanks for watching. If you're new here, this is a Beebeecraft unboxing of their products and showcasing them. And my following videos will be showcasing these products that you see here. And yeah, I hope you'll enjoy it. So yeah, please subscribe. Press that bell button up there. Press like, share and all that sort of thing. And yeah, go down below and press press a link. Press the link to Beebeecraft for me. And see what you can come up with too. Awesome products, heaps of ideas. Alright, I'll see you real soon for a make. Bye.